We'll discuss overall heat transfer coefficient. If we take heat exchanger, a heat exchanger is a device in which heat transfer flow from one fluid to another fluid. There will not be the mixing of the fluids. Here, if we take this heat exchanger here, heat transfer takes place from this hot fluid which is inside to the cold fluid outside. Actually, there is wall in between the hot fluid and the cold fluid. There is no direct mixing of the fluids. Convection heat transfer takes place from the hot fluid to the wall. In the wall there is conduction heat transfer, and again there is convection heat transfer. This is a resistance for the convection heat transfer, that is 1 divided by Hi. Resistance for the conduction heat transfer R wall, and resistance for the outside surface. If we take total resistance for the heat transfer, resistance for the wall heat transfer is given by this one, that is R wall, and the total heat transfer is summation of the three resistance. And in the similar way as the electrical analogy, we can write overall heat transfer is equal to heat transfer, we can write it as delta T divided by R. Q is equal to UA. This 1 divided by summation R is nothing but the summation of Ri, R0 and Ro. We can write 1 divided by summation of R is nothing but UA. There U is the overall heat transfer coefficient. UAS, 1 divided by UAS is nothing but R. This AS may be the surface area, whether it may be internal surface area or external surface area. Therefore, for a sphere or a cylinder, there are two types of surface areas. Internal surface area and external surface areas are different. Therefore, there are two types of overall heat transfer coefficients for a sphere and a cylinder. If we take here fouling factor is the resistance due to the precipitation on the surface of the heat exchanger wall. On the surface of the heat exchanger wall there will be precipitation, means due to that there will be resistance to the heat transfer, that is the fouling factor, and it can be considered RF. Here overall heat transfer coefficient is given by summation of R's. Here these two have been considered. Fouling